So hey out there guys, I think the neighbor's mowing his lawn, but it's a little noisy out here. But I got my wind deflector made up. Unfortunately, I didn't use the right paint. I should have used a flat. Why? I used like a satin. Guess I'll have to touch it up. Shit, with that bigger air deflector, I can put another light bar up there. 2 light bars, that'd be a little over the top, don't you think? So I was able to cut that curve on the bottom there with my shears. I could only do about a 1/2 inch at a time. That's 17 gauge. And this barely cut it. Very slowly, but I got that all in. Hopefully it keeps the noise down. Yeah, solves my noise problem. And I also remounted the solar panels closer together. And that's all I did yesterday. I've been feeling a little under the weather. I think I got a cold. Hopefully that's all it is, right? Yeah. So it's been like 80 degrees yesterday and today. And it's like, man, I sure would like to be out somewhere doing something, right? But like I said yesterday, I didn't do much. Put the air deflector on and that was about it. I was just not feeling good. I had yard work to do. I was gonna mow the lawn and everything, but nope. I went and sat down and watched television. Today I'm feeling the same, so I'm just taking it easy. But yeah, beautiful weather. I feel like I'm wasting the day here. So I just wanted to show you my my antennas here. This is what I've been using for years, is Wilson 1000. It's a good antenna. This is one I tried. I also tried, but I really like it. So now this basically comes just the fiberglass part. I added the spring and the mount. But this is a Francis hot rod. It's a 1/4 wave fiberglass antenna. Now I ran one, the first one, without the spring, and the first tree I hit, I think one of those Joshua trees just snapped it off. Yeah, but this is a lot lighter than a lot of the other fiberglass antennas, like Fire Sticks. Yeah, and it works pretty good. It's got 2 coils of wire inside the fiberglass, which is kind of interesting. It's got a helical design. Yeah, that works good. The Wilson 1000 works good. This time I thought I'd try the Striker. I mean, look at the size of that thing compared to the Wilson. This is the coil. There's actually a coil of wire in there. And this one here, you can actually look inside there and see the coil of wire. Supposedly, it's a silver-plated wire. Yeah, and that mounts up there to my, somebody was just asking me about that. What's that thingy up top of the truck? Oh man, I hope that recorded. It's hard to see the screen on the phone. It's so bright out here. I might have pushed the wrong button. But this is my mount. This is a magnetic mount. See, it's stuck on there right now. Not very good though. Typically you put it in the center of your vehicle, but with the rack, there's nothing to mount to, so I made this just temporary till I get a shell on here. You got an angle bracket with a washer well to do it. And being that this is magnetic, yeah, mounts just like that. Yeah. Now this is a ground plane radial kit. Since there's no metal underneath here, I added this kit, and that'll act as a ground plane, you know, because if this is mounted on the top of the cab there, then you got the whole top of the roof, it's metal, acting as a ground plane, but it looks cool too, right? Yeah. So, here's my battery box with no battery. Somebody's gonna steal it like that, right? So Why put the battery in there now? I got nothing to run. I'll have to get myself a cooler. The cooler, I think, would be probably my next purchase. Another cooler. These are the battery wires going into the cap to the charge controller. I need you, yeah, that's supposed to go like that, but it's kind of stiff. This conduit I used is flexible, but not that flexible. Might have to heat it up or something. But yeah, that's what that is. Alright, that's all for now. I'm gonna go back inside and rest. Gotta work tomorrow. Sure is nice out here. It's nice and warm. Look at the mountains.